In the vibrant city of Columbus, Indiana, where progress meets responsibility, there's a name you can trust for all your dumpster rental needs: Arch Waste and Recycle. Welcome to Arch Waste and Recycle, your best dumpster rental in Columbus, Indiana. Whether overseeing a construction project, tackling a home renovation, or just needing a reliable waste management solution, Arch Waste and Recycle have you covered. Our dedicated team is committed to providing top-notch dumpster rental services, making waste disposal easy and eco-friendly. Why choose Arch Waste and Recycle for your dumpster rental in Columbus, Indiana? Here are the key benefits. We offer diverse dumpster sizes to meet your specific needs, whether a minor residential cleanup or a large-scale construction project. We take pride in our commitment to sustainability. Arch Waste and Recycle promotes eco-friendly practices in waste management, contributing to a cleaner and greener Columbus. So, for responsible waste management in Columbus, trust the Arch Waste and Recycle experts. Booking with Arch Waste and Recycle is a breeze. Just visit our website at archwasteandrecycle.com or call us at 812-758-7274 to secure your dumpster and schedule your delivery. Arch Waste and Recycle, your partner in building a cleaner and greener Columbus. Thank you for choosing Arch Waste and Recycle for your dumpster rental needs. Join us in making Columbus a more sustainable city.